In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text fade transition like this. Let's get started. I have already created a background and a text layer in the timeline here. Now let's go to the FX control. Under FX control, you can see the opacity. Under opacity, select this free form pen tool to create the mask for this text. But before that, place the playhead from where you want this animation to start from, and now click on this pen tool, and now let's create a rectangle over the text like this. Okay, now click on this stopwatch icon to create the starting keyframe, and if you want to see that rectangle again, click on this mask. Now we have to take this rectangle completely out of the frame to hide the visible text. Then move the playhead to where you want this animation to stop, and bring back this rectangle into the frame so that the text is completely revealed. Okay, which will automatically create the second keyframe and end of the animation. Okay, now let's save this. Okay, now we are done with the animation. Let's play this and see how it looks like. Okay, it's more or look like a whip transition than a fade transition. So to add more fade effect to this text, make sure you click on the text clip in the timeline and go to mask feather and change this value to 700. You may have to play around with this value based on the size of the text. So now let's save this again, then go to the beginning of the clip and play this. Okay, cool. Now it looks like a proper fade text transition. So if you want to increase the speed of this animation, bring the second keyframe closer to the first one like this. Okay, now save it again, play it from the beginning. Now it looks like a proper fade text transition. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this, hit the like button. If you have any question, comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Goku. So I will catch up with you all in the next one. Thank you.